Accused in Salt Spring triple murder, charged for another homicide. Partially burnt body found in Smoky Vale, St. Andrew. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Additional criminal charges have been laid against former member of the Ski Mask Gang, Travis Tummins, otherwise called Chichi, who was last week charged with the murders of 2 schoolboys and a man in Salt Springs, St. James. The Tyler of Barretown in the parish was charged on Saturday in connection with the murder of 47-year-old Anthony Forbes, otherwise called Platop, of Flower Hill, Salt Spring on October. He is charged with murder, wounding with intent, burglary, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a firearm to commit a felony. The Montego Bay police stated that about 1:10 a.m., Tummins and accomplices broke into Forbes' house and opened gunfire at him before escaping. Forbes was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Tummins was apprehended at a guest house in his community on November 17 during a joint police-military-led operation. He was positively identified during an identification parade and charges were subsequently laid. The body, which up to publication time was still unidentified, was partially burnt, the police stated. It was reported that around 11 a.m., residents stumbled upon the partially decomposed body and summoned the police. On arrival, the body was seen lying face down along a dirt track. The body was observed to be partially burnt. More details to come following further investigations.